Episode Guide, Safari Fun. Hello, my name is Serena Candello and I play Belle on Mosi and Moo. It is my hope that this episode guide will give you the support you may need to explore, integrate, and expand our program into your classroom or home. In this session, we're going to discuss the components of our Safari Fun dance story, including our dance adventure, nursery rhymes, and related dance games. In our Safari dance adventure, Mosi and Moo take a trip to the jungle on a quest to reunite baby giraffe with its family. In this episode, we cover locomotor, traveling, and non-locomotor on-the-spot movements and the creation of a variety of body shapes using dance to express the movements of animals. Specifically, we are exploring the way animals move by focusing on the swinging of a monkey, the pouncing of a lion, and the heavy stomping and marching of an elephant. In this episode, we will also find the joy and dynamic energy of dancing with some hopping and twisting in our Safari Hop. Our opening song for the episode always acts as the solution to our dance adventure. Our overarching curriculum theme, being the jungle, means that we're going to introduce some of the animals that live there. In our dance game, we explore more of the movement potential of many more animals, pretending, improvising, and mimicking animal moves, and the sounds that these animals make are a huge hit for this age and provide diverse dynamics and locomotor patterns too. In each episode, we touch on different core values. In this episode, Mosi helps the baby giraffe to find its family. The notion of being helpful is our central theme. Helpfulness is a beautiful character trait to teach to children. It's important to also say the words to the children you work with, "Thank you for being helpful." To expand on these core values here are some questions you can ask your own children. How did Mosi help baby giraffe? What are some ways you can find to be helpful in the classroom and at home? Who has helped you? How do you feel when somebody helps you? When it comes to developing the dance language for the child, in this episode, we can unpack them from taking a closer look at the steps we are using. The actions in this episode, or what can I do, include the following. In the Safari Hop, we drop, we peep, we creep, and we leap. When we're rocking and a-rolling, we're twisting, and we're doing a step that I call roly-polies. In the monkey swing, we do simple hopping movements side to side. I always like telling the children, curl up your arms like a monkey. The chopping action at the end is such fun. With long, straight arms, you move them like so. And of course, that big surprise at the end, the splits. Here, we can make a wide shape. Don't worry, you don't need to do the splits. In the lion pounce, we dance a 3/4 time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And the action of tiptoeing is a big part of the movement here. So we have creeping, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Pouncing, adding a slight hop, and then roaring, where we use big arms, big circular arms when we roar. The following verse, we also have some lunging, where we do one knee and one leg is straight. And prowling, you pick up your foot ever so much. And tiptoeing, where you bring your legs in parallel and you tiptoe. And then mane so golden, we make a big circle arm shape. The elephant stomp is the best. And it's the children's favorite too. We play with the energy of marching down into the ground, and we play with a rhythmical pattern of clapping your hands to your thighs. In our nursery rhyme, 5 little monkey jumping on the bed is rendered in a swing-like, joyful twist style. And in the middle of the song, we do jumping and hand actions, which makes this song just a delight, and you can repeat it over and over again. I make sure that a child in my class, and they can take turns doing this, they can be the mama, and they get to call the doctor and shake their finger. They love it, and it's the first moment where they're a leader. In our dance games, Let's Go to the Jungle, we explore a wide array of animals and all the sounds that they make. These games keep little ones challenged and motivated by moving really quickly through different dance tasks that are called out. Here you find the movement of the owl, snakes, and zebra. Ways to expand the theme of the jungle are many. I love pairing up a craft idea with our dances to really bring home the theme. Integrating the arts is a very, very powerful approach in teaching themes. Creating paper animals like butterflies, spiders, and birds, and of course, the elephant, lion, and monkey paper bag puppets are perfect for this theme. One of my favorite craft activities is creating paper coiled painted snakes. Another fun game is to hide little animals or pictures around the house or schoolyard and go on your very own safari to find the animals. There are incredible children's books on the jungle too that you can read to your children to expand this theme. My top faves are Giraffes Can't Dance and Rumble in the Jungle by Giles Andrea. I really hope that this episode guide was helpful. Please check out our website for more of a comprehensive list of ways to expand this episode. Thank you so much for listening.